Hello, kids! Today we will learn how to draw a playground slider. So grab your black marker. Let's start drawing.
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a triangle roof at the top. Nice and easy. Now, draw a small chimney on top of the roof. Good job! Next, draw the walls of the playhouse under the roof. Perfect! Now draw a big arc door in the middle. Looks great! Now let's draw the sliding part. Draw a long curved slide going down. Draw 2 slides side by side. Yes, it is a double slider. Now draw the pillars that hold the playground. Straight lines. Very nice. Next, draw the railing of the stair on one side. Now, draw the steps of the stair, one by one. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, make the outline bold and sharp. Make it dark and smooth so the artwork can pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! So colorful and beautiful! Great job, kids! You did amazing today! If you enjoyed drawing with us, like the video, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next fun drawing lesson. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.